You know that moment when you sit down to watch a movie? The visuals look incredible. But the sound? Flat, lifeless. Like everything's stuck inside the TV? Yeah, that's exactly why soundbars exist. So in this video, I've done the hard work for you. We're counting down the 10 best all-in-one soundbars, from budget-friendly upgrades all the way to absolute monsters that can replace a full home theater. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money and which ones you should avoid. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. TCLS 45H. Right out of the gate, this one is all about keeping things simple. The TCLS 45H is one of those soundbars you buy when you just want your TV to sound better without overthinking anything. Setup? Almost laughably easy. One HDMI cable, plug it in, and you're done. And honestly, compared to built-in TV speakers, the difference is immediate. Dialogue becomes clearer, volume feels stronger, and you actually start noticing details you missed before. It even throws in Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X support, which sounds impressive on paper, but let's be real. This is still a 2.0 system, so instead of true surround sound, everything gets compressed down. What that means in real life is you'll hear a wider soundstage, but you won't feel that sound flying over your head effect. Bass is another thing. It's there, but it's not the kind that shakes your room. Explosions feel more like polite suggestions. Still, for the price, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Make your TV sound way better without any hassle. This is for someone who just wants a clean upgrade, nothing fancy. Nothing complicated. Number 9. Bose TV speaker. Now, if you want something even simpler, this is basically the definition of plug and play. The Bose TV speaker is all about one thing: clarity. You turn it on, and suddenly, voices are crisp, clean, and easy to understand. No more rewinding scenes because you missed a line. And honestly, that's where it shines the most. It's not trying to be a surround system. It's not pretending to be a theater. It's just better TV sound. What's surprising, though, is how wide it sounds for such a small bar. Those angled drivers actually create a bit of depth that you wouldn't expect from something this compact. But yeah, there are trade-offs. No Dolby Atmos, no fancy 3D audio, no deep cinematic rumble. And if you're hoping for big movie night energy, this isn't it. This is perfect for bedrooms, small spaces, or anyone who just wants clean, stress-free audio without diving into settings and apps. Number 8. Samsung S60D. This one's interesting because it's either a great deal or kind of disappointing. And it all depends on one thing: your TV. If you have a Samsung TV, this soundbar becomes a completely different experience. Features like Q Symphony and wireless Dolby Atmos kick in. And suddenly, the sound feels bigger, fuller, and more immersive. But if you don't, you're basically left with a solid, but not mind-blowing soundbar. The audio is clean, the setup is ridiculously easy, and the SmartThings app makes everything feel smooth and modern. But dialogue can sometimes get a little buried, especially during busy scenes, and the surround effect doesn't quite hit that next level unless you're fully inside the Samsung ecosystem. So yeah, great if you're already in that world. Otherwise, there are better options coming up. Number 7. JBL Bar 300 MK2. Now we're getting into something more exciting. The JBL Bar 300 MK2 is one of those sound bars that immediately feels powerful. You turn it on, and there's this punchy, energetic sound that just fills the room. 450 watts of output, built-in bass ports. You can actually feel the difference during action scenes. And even though it doesn't have upward-firing speakers, it still manages to create a pretty convincing 3D effect using virtual processing. It's not perfect, though. When things get really intense, like heavy music or layered soundtracks, it can feel a bit crowded, like everything's fighting for space. But for movies, This thing is fun. It's bold, it's loud, and it delivers that cinema vibe without needing extra speakers. Number 6. Sonos Beam Gen 2. This is where things start getting really polished. The Sonos Beam Gen 2 is small, but don't let that fool you. The sound is clean, balanced, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Dialogue is one of its strongest points. You hear everything clearly without needing to mess with settings. And that's something Sonos does really well. It just works. The soundstage feels wide, immersive, and natural, even if the Atmos effect isn't as dramatic as bigger soundbars. Now, the downside, if you want deep, room-shaking bass, you'll eventually want to add a sub, and once you do that, the price climbs fast. But on its own, this is one of the best compact soundbars you can buy. Perfect for smaller spaces where you still want premium sound. Number 5. Klipsch Flexus Core 200. This one has personality. The Klipsch Flexus Core 200 hits you with strong dynamics right away. Movies feel energetic, voices cut through clearly, and there's a sense of depth that makes everything feel alive. Those built-in subwoofers actually do a decent job, giving you more bass than you'd expect from an all-in-one bar. And the collaboration with Onkyo really shows it's tuned for performance. But it's not perfect. The ecosystem isn't as polished as something like Sonos, and some features feel a bit behind compared to competitors. Still, if you care about raw sound and impact, this is a seriously fun option. Number 4. Bose Smart Soundbar. This one feels like a premium, everyday soundbar. It's compact, elegant, and packed with features. Voice control, streaming, app control. Everything is smooth and easy. Sound-wise, it's detailed and balanced, especially in the mid-range. Dialogue is clear, instruments sound natural, and everything feels controlled. But here's the thing, it doesn't hit as hard as you might expect. Bass is a bit light, and the surround effect isn't as dramatic as some rivals. So while it's refined and polished, it's not the most exciting. This is for someone who values clarity, design, and ease of use over raw power. Number 3. Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. Now this is Bose stepping things up. Right away, you notice how wide and detailed the sound is. Everything feels organized, spacious, and clean in dialogue. Absolutely crystal clear, thanks to that AI dialogue mode. It's also one of the easiest soundbars to live with. Setup is simple, controls are smooth, and it just feels premium. But again, there's a small catch. For a soundbar at this level, you might expect more bass and stronger height effects. It sounds great, but not quite blow you away great in those areas. Still, if you want a refined, high-end experience without complexity, this is a strong contender. Number 2. Sonos Arc Ultra. Now we're talking about something special. The Sonos Arc Ultra is all about immersion. From the moment you play a movie, the sound doesn't just come from the front, it wraps around you. That 9.1.4 spatial audio setup creates a massive soundstage, and the new sound motion technology adds deeper, more impactful bass. Dialogue is insanely clear thanks to AI enhancement, and everything from setup to daily use feels seamless. But yeah, this is where things get expensive. If you start adding a sub and rear speakers, the price climbs fast. Still, even on its own, this is one of the most immersive soundbars you can buy. Number 1. Sennheiser Ambeo Soundbar Max. And here it is. This isn't just a soundbar. It's a statement. The Sennheiser Ambeo Max is massive, heavy, and honestly a bit demanding when it comes to setup. But once you hear it, everything makes sense. This thing delivers a true 5.1.4 experience with deep, powerful bass without even needing a subwoofer. The sound is rich, natural, and incredibly detailed. It doesn't feel like audio is coming from a bar, it feels like it's coming from everywhere. Explosions hit hard, dialogue feels full and realistic, and the sense of space is just on another level. But yeah, there are trade-offs. It's expensive, it's huge, and it needs proper placement to really shine. Still, if you want the best all-in-one soundbar experience, this is it. So there you have it, the 10 best all-in-one soundbars right now. If you want something simple and affordable, go for the TCL or Bose TV speaker. If you want balance and everyday performance, the Sonos Beam or Bose options are solid. But if you're chasing that full cinematic experience, the Sonos Arc Ultra and Sennheiser Ambeo Max are on another level. Now I'm curious, what's your setup right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you want, I can help you pick the perfect upgrade. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe because we've got more deep dive tech coming your way. See you in the next one.